A very good afternoon to all my dear students. Welcome to Logic and Philosophy online classes. I have already completed with the 4 chapters from logic portion. I have also given you all the notes. I hope आप सब ने वो सारे नोट्स अच्छी तरह से लिखे होंगे. बहुत ही कम स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे दिखाया है लिख के नोट्स. मैं चाहती हूँ आप लोग वो सारे नोट्स मुझे चेकिंग के लिए दिखाए. ओके, आई हैव ऑल्सो फिनिश विथ माई एक्सप्लेनेशन. आप लोग सारे वीडियोज अच्छी तरह से सुने एंड इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम यू लेट मी नो. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विथ यूनिट 5 चैप्टर 7 दैट इज रियलिज्म. दैट चैप्टर नेम इज रियलिज्म. सबसे पहला पॉइंट, रियलिज्म एंड आइडियलिज्म आर द थियोरीज ऑफ रियलिटी. ओके, जो आप लोगों ने क्लास 11 में भी थोड़ा सा पढ़ा है इफ़ यू रिमेंबर. ओके, now what does theories of reality means? Theories of reality means सच्चाई के बारे में जानना. We human beings are full of questions in our brain. Okay, हम लोग किसी भी चीज़ को आसानी से ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं. We keep on asking evidence. जब तक हम लोग कन्विंस नहीं हो जाते हैं, we keep on asking evidence for the truth of that thing. So realism and idealism are also same. ओके, ये जो वर्ल्ड है, वेदर द वर्ल्ड इज ट्रू और नॉट, रियल और नॉट, टू नो दैट देयर आर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस इन आवर माइंड लाइक व्हाट डू वी नो, व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ बीइंग दैट इज नोन, डू वी नो एक्सटर्नल ऑब्जेक्ट्स और सब्जेक्टिव आइडियाज. So ये various types of questions are there in our mind which can be solved with the theories of reality, that is realism and idealism. Now what is realism? अगर मैं एक लाइन में डिफाइन करूँ what is realism? Realism, according to the theory of realism, the world with all its objects are real. They have their independent existence apart from our mind. Okay, they are not mind dependent. They all have their independent existence. So according to the theory of realism, by the very word realism, you can make out that realism comes from the word real. Real matlab sach, real matlab fact, real matlab truth. So according to this theory, the world, जो world है, external world है, it is completely real. It has its own existence and it is not dependent in our mind. Okay, clear? Now this realism, this is only introduction. You complete introduction first and then I'll give you notes on it. Now this theory of realism is of 3 types. That is naive or popular realism, scientific or critical realism, and neo-realism. See, neo-realism. So these are the 3 types of realism. सबसे पहले हम लोग शुरू करते हैं थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ नेव रियलिज्म. नेव रियलिज्म जो है, इट इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली रो काइंड ऑफ रियलिज्म. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रियलिज्म, द वर्ल्ड विथ ऑल इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैज़ इट्स इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्टेंस अपार्ट फ्रॉम आवर माइंड. हमारे माइंड के बाहर ये वर्ल्ड अपने आप एग्जिस्ट करता है. और हम लोग जो देखते हैं इस वर्ल्ड को, इस एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड को जो हम लोग देखते हैं, हम लोग उसका एक एग्जैक्ट फोटोकॉपी देखते हैं. ओके, so according to naive realism, the world with all its objects have independent existence. They are not mind dependent. They are not dependent on us. ठीक है, clear? Now second one is critical realism or scientific realism. Now according to scientific realism also, the world with all its objects are real. They have their independent existence, but the objects of the world are made up of qualities. Okay, primary and secondary qualities. Like for example, suppose मैं आप लोगों को बोलूँ, आप में से किसी ने एक नया टेलीविज़न खरीदा है. ओके, क्लियर? सो सपोज मैं आप लोगों को पूछूँ, डिफाइन योर, टेल मी हाउ योर टेलीविज़न इज़, योर न्यू टेलीविज़न इज़. तो आप मुझे क्या बताओगे? आप मुझे बताओगे उस टेलीविज़न की क्वालिटीज़, राइट? Like it is rectangle in shape, it is black in color, it is a color television. We can see so many things in this television. We can watch movies, we can watch games, we can watch news, in the television. Television is very very useful. Like these are the qualities of the television. ठीक है, जिससे वो टेलीविज़न बना हुआ है. That means whenever we try to define anything in this world, we define the qualities of it. Without qualities, nothing is existing. कुछ भी exist नहीं करता है. Everything is made up of qualities. So according to scientific realism, though the world with all its existence are real, ठीक है, but they are composed of qualities, and qualities are of two types, that is primary and secondary. Primary qualities वो qualities है जो that are real to the object, permanent to the object, and secondary qualities वो qualities है that are only temporary to the object, means that which varies from person to person. Well, this one we will know in more details in when we start learning what is realism. Okay, now let us come to new realism. New realism is nothing but only a realism against idealism. Idealism के against जो realism है उसको new realism कहा जाता है. Okay, clear? Now with the help of these theories of reality, that is realism and idealism, we can know about the world, we can know about the reality of the world. So let me revise once again. What is realism? Realism is the theory according to which the world with all its objects are real and have independent existence. Okay, realism is of three kinds, that is naive or popular realism, scientific or critical realism, and new realism. Naive or popular realism is a raw kind of realism according to which the world with all its objects have independent existence and we see only the photocopies of the object. Scientific realism is the realism according to which though the world with all its objects are real, but the things of the world are composed of qualities, and the qualities are divided into primary and secondary. And neo-realism is that realism which is a realism against idealism. Okay, clear? I hope the introduction of this chapter is very very clear to you. मैंने कोशिश किया है बहुत ही सिंपल तरीका से आप लोगों को समझाऊं. So this is the beginning of the philosophy portion. Okay, logic we have already completed. If there is any confusion in logic portion, please let me know. And all of you write the notes properly again and again. I am telling, write the notes properly and show me, because very soon we are going to start with test. आप सबको test देना होगा. Okay, so this much for today. Have a nice day all of you.